How to log out of your Stumble Guys account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can log out of your Stumble Guys account in just few simple steps. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, launch the Stumble Guys app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And once you are inside the game, simply tap on the settings icon located in the top right corner of your screen. And this will open the settings page. And once you are there, make sure that you are in the General tab. And in the General tab settings, you can see the option that says connected. So you simply have to tap on that. And after tapping on that, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, you simply have to tap on the option Logout. And after tapping on that, a confirmation message will pop out asking, are you sure you want to sign out? So you simply have to confirm by tapping on sign out. And that's it. You have now successfully logged out of your Stumble Guys account. And that's all for today's video. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.